Welcome to our deep dive. Today, our mission is to explore how the AI gold rush is actively evolving right now.
Yeah, it's moving incredibly fast.
Really fast. We've got a massive stack of transcripts from some of the top digital entrepreneurs, and we're cutting through the noise to show you how creators are transitioning from pumping out low-effort AI spam to, building highly profitable, high-equity businesses.
Which is a huge shift from where we were even just a year ago.
Right. Okay, let's unpack this because the wild concept of AI tools replacing entire creative teams and human influencers is already happening in ways you might not expect.
I mean, the early days of this space were definitely defined by a flood of low-effort content, but the smart money has completely pivoted to quality. The barrier to entry to create professional-grade media is effectively zero now.
We're seeing that pivot really clearly with video and audio tools like Sora and Suno. Creators are leveraging those to build automated faceless music channels.
With stunning, looping visuals and completely original background music.
Exactly. We looked at one channel that actually pulled in over $22,000 in ad revenue from a single AI-generated video.
That's incredible. And with the technical barrier gone, what's fascinating here is the shift in what's actually valuable. It's no longer about the sheer ability to generate media. Anyone can use an advanced image generation tool like Nano Banana to create high-fidelity digital assets.
Whether that's stunning artwork for digital downloads or print-on-demand products.
Right. The new currency is aesthetic value and consistency.
Yeah.
You have to stand out by providing genuine quality.
You mentioned standing out with aesthetic value, but it actually goes beyond just looking good. It's about manufacturer trust.
Oh, absolutely.
Here's where it gets really interesting. Let's look at the Mama Ruth case study on TikTok Shop.
Oh, yeah, the AI grandma.
Yeah, the AI grandma.
Yeah.
A creator used Google VO3, which is a highly advanced video generation model, to create a hyper-realistic 70-year-old AI persona.
A completely fabricated digital person.
Completely fake. And she went viral, educating people and selling natural beetroot and oregano supplements, bringing in thousands of dollars in profit in a single week.
It's a little dystopian when you think about it.
Just a bit.
Taking advice on poor gut health from an entity that doesn't actually possess a gut. But Mama Ruth worked incredibly well because she didn't just push a pill. Her creator used ChatGPT-generated scripts to sell a dream outcome.
By targeting incredibly deep, specific pain points for that older demographic.
Like connecting a white tongue in the morning to poor gut health. They proved that hyper-realistic AI branding can be custom designed to match the exact demographic needed to build immediate authority.
So what does this all mean for you as you're navigating this space? The ultimate strategy emerging from these transcripts isn't just about creating a better AI influencer.
It's the transition from acting as a middleman in risky affiliate models to actually owning your audience.
Right, building real assets.
The overarching strategy we're seeing here is something called an alpha system. Instead of just launching a standalone AI web app into the void and hoping for traffic, creators are building recurring revenue hubs.
They'll use AI to build a simple utility, say, an AI avatar prompt generator.
Yeah, but then they package that tool inside a gated community platform like WAP, which acts as a storefront and a community hub for digital entrepreneurs.
Packaging it that way changes the entire psychology of the product.
It really does.
By wrapping a utility tool inside a gated community, you're not just selling software, you're building a retention engine. People might come for the prompt generator, but they stay because they're networking with other creators in the same niche.
That layered value is the secret. You have the monthly subscriptions for access to the community, the intrinsic value of the peer-to-peer chat, and embedded affiliate links inside the tools themselves.
You are building actual equity.
Exactly, a deeply loyal user base rather than just chasing viral views on a platform you don't control.
The major takeaway for you here is that you absolutely do not need coding skills to build a digital empire anymore.
No, not at all.
You just need to act as the architect. If you can combine these AI tools strategically, whether it's VO3 for hyper-realistic video, Suno for audio, or Nano Banana for high-fidelity asset,
To solve real problems for specific communities.
right, then you can build lasting equity.
And this raises an important question to leave you with. As AI avatars become entirely indistinguishable from reality, what happens to the concept of human connection when a completely generated persona, like a 7-year-old AI grandma, feels more trustworthy and relatable to us than a real human?